Tired of constantly switching between Facebook Messenger and Gmail? Let's automate that. Today, we're diving into how to connect Facebook Messenger with Gmail using Zapier, unlocking a world of automation possibilities. First, head over to Zapier and click on Create Zap. This is where the magic begins. Now, choose Facebook Messenger as your trigger app. Select New Message as the trigger event. This will kick off the Zap whenever you receive a new message. Zapier will then ask you to connect your Facebook Messenger account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Zapier the necessary permissions. Next, we need to set up the action. Choose Gmail as your action app and select Send Email as the action event. This means a new message in Messenger will trigger an email sent via Gmail. Just like with Messenger, connect your Gmail account by following the prompts. Grant Zapier the required permissions to send emails on your behalf. Now for the fun part, customizing the email. You can populate the two subject and body fields with information pulled directly from the Messenger message. For example, use the message text as the email body. Zapier will then let you preview the email using sample data from Messenger, so you can double-check and make sure everything looks great before the next step. Finally, give your Zap a descriptive name and turn it on. From now on, every new message you receive in Facebook Messenger will automatically trigger an email to your Gmail account. And that's it. Now you can explore other cool automations, like saving attachments from Messenger to Google Drive. Happy zapping!